smoking bullets and crazy shit. You know, they're living a life, sipping on.
Then you watch MTV, all the bitches is dancing and twerking. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's all mixed together, black and white people dancing together, man, on stage. You know.
Well, America is nothing like that. Everybody's struggling, everybody's catching hell. You know, you go to the club and have a good time, but once you leave, you're back in reality. Back in reality. You see? You're walking out with no pussy, no bitch, right?
No money,
no money, frustrated. It's back to the old regular America. Back to work, you know, with fucking taxes taken out of your check. You left with shit, back to child support. You know, you niggas want to stay here. You see what I'm saying? Well, that's why you niggas gotta die, because the Most High has a different plan than you do.
Right.
You see? And we with the Most High's plan. We with America being destroyed. We're not trying to be here another 10 years. I ain't got no fucking investment plans for another 10 years. And all that shit. Alright? Go ahead.
Alright,
Hold you guys.
Okay. This is taking Thessalonians 1:6. Seeing it is a righteous thing with the Most High, so we can bring tribulation to them and trouble.
Yeah, recompense means payback. You see, like you owe somebody money, you know? Yeah. Like you recompense payback like you owe somebody money. The so-called white man owes us a whole lot of ass whooping. Alright? Right. A whole lot of ass whooping. America, there's nothing America can do to pay us back. Nothing a white man can do to pay us back. That's why America is going to be destroyed. You know, if there's any way that the white man in America could pay back what it has done to the nation of Israel, the Most High would have had plans to destroy this place. The Most High is going to totally obliterate it, because there's no way you can pay us back.
Yep.
You see? Go ahead, bro.
Revelation 18 and
we're gonna go back to Isaiah.
Revelation 18 and 5.
Yeah. If it gets too bad, you know, we might have to wrap it up.
That for her sins have reached unto heaven, and the Most High have remembered her iniquity. Reward her even as she rewarded you.
You know what? Her sins have literally reached up to heaven. If you go up into outer space, they got something called space junk.
Yeah.
Right? They got space, they got junk just floating around in space. You know when them shuttles going out of space and they break off? You got all that shit floating around in outer space.
Yeah, it gets caught in the Earth's orbit, and you literally have millions of tons of space debris circling the Earth right now. Man. That's why you'll see on the news, man, they have like a random ass satellite fall to the ground. A lot of that time, this is debris, man, that's floating around the Earth. You know, gravity might finally catch hold to it and pull it back down, you know, through the Shemayim, man, to the ground.
That's why the Lord, the way He designed the missiles, and you know the Lord did it. When you read Isaiah, it says it's going to be like a mushroom cloud. You read 2 Peter, it says elements shall melt with perfect heat. You know what that mushroom cloud is, right? That mushroom cloud is a vacuum that gets created when the missiles hit. It's going to suck all that space debris up and all that bullshit. Everything will get sucked in and just totally destroyed and cleansed. Right? You see? By the time
and none of these things are on the news. The stuff that, you know.
Yeah, none of that shit's on the news.
Yep, and it's gonna reset. Also, it's gonna reset the ozone that you fucked up, man. Because along with that vacuum, it sends out an EMP pulse, man, which is gonna recorrect the ionosphere and a lot of things, man. But that destruction is gonna reset. Basically, it's like reset the computer.
Yeah, basically the missiles is gonna be a reset button. Yeah, because your computer when shit fucked up.
Yeah, the virus. We saw the virus.
Yeah.
You know, so the Most High is gonna send His malware, the missiles, and then you reset your computer and you start it over again, man. And that's the New Jerusalem, man, with the nation of Israel leading the whole entire universe, man, under the power of Yahweh Bashem Yahushua. Right. Okay.
Well, my man, what's his name from the Matrix? The main agent.
Agent Smith.
Agent Smith. Yeah, remember he was talking to Morpheus and he said, like cancer. He said you go one area, you use up all the resources, and you move to another. What do you think he was talking about? He's talking about you so-called white people.
Yeah.
That's why the Lord said, no flesh shall be saved. If you were to go on, no flesh shall be saved. Right? Now they got straight up GMO babies. You got GMO animals. I was reading about a week ago that they got GMO mosquitoes.
Bees.
GMO bees. Say, that's part of their biological warfare. Because one of the earliest forms of biological warfare is malaria. The way they spread malaria was going through the mosquitoes. So now they got GMO mosquitoes. They can put any disease they want.
Yep. And they have super malaria, man. Like, I can't remember, it was a long time I read about malaria, but they have all different types of strains of malaria, man, that they form.
Yeah.
And so, yeah. Yep.
Look at that shit.
Yep. And who the sickle cell hit most of the time? So-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, man. So they take Negroes, experiment on them, they look at your DNA sequencing, and then they make these viruses and bugs and diseases that specifically target the nation of Israel.
Yeah. Right? Designer.
That's right.
Designer diseases. But that's going back to the curses, man.
Right. This is back in the 6th verse in the 18th chapter of Revelation. Reward her even as she rewarded you, and double unto her, double according to her works.
Double according to her works. Now, just so happened today, I was on a brother's computer, and they were showing ancient torture devices, which they were used on Jake, right? They had one. Now, a lot of these were used during the Spanish Inquisition when they were killing a lot of the Latin tribes, right? Christopher Columbus and the mother of Spanish devils. They had an Inquisition, kicking you out of Spain, right? They would take, and a lot of the apostles went through these. Now, because it speaks about how they were sawed in half and all that. Now they had one where they would take Jake and they would hang him upside down by the two legs, and you had two devils. They have a big saw. And they would start where your joint is at and just saw all the way down. And you would stay alive because you would sense you upside down, while the blood would rush to your head, so you'd be conscious the whole time. And just saw all the way down. And they said by the time they got to your midsection, you would just either die or pass out. Right? You had another one, was called the knee splitter, right? Where they had two boards, one on top of the other. The one on top had spikes coming down, the one on the bottom spikes coming up. They would put your knee in between, and they would turn it. One turn, the spike, they were like cones. They would go through your knee and just split it open. They had another one. They would put you on the board. They would tie your arms like this with a rope. The other side with your feet. And at each end there was a roller, and they would turn the roller until they split your bones.
Yeah,
your cords. Yeah.
The Roman candle.
The Roman candle. Yeah.
Just burn Jake.
The wheel, the broken wheel. They put you on a wheel and break you up. Yeah, the Romans had the crucifixion, right, which they did to Yahweh Shai. So the scriptures say you got a lot of shit to pay for. Okay. Right. The scriptures say you're gonna pay double. See, people think that we're sick. And we're, what's the word? Sick and demented. And hateful when we talk about what's going to happen to the so-called white man. But you got to remember his history. You think the Most High just forgot about it? You think he's just going to go scot-clean? What happens when you go to the court system? Does the white man let you off scot-clean? He'll give you a life sentence of 450 years. Life. You see?
Also, you got to understand that these white people still uphold the stereotypes that was used to rationalize killing us, man. So now you got these white people walking around here, and they're cordial and whatnot. They still uphold those that prejudice ideology used to kill us, man. Case in point, social Darwinism, man. You did? They always go back to that, man, which is really deceit. They use all that to rationalize killing us, man, and that concept is still here today. Look at these comic boards, man. Same comic board what the Edda was talking about with Mike Brown. You got white people say, well, look, they're monkeys anyway. So when push comes to shove, man, which we're seeing now, them race riots, it makes sense, man. And that's in the Bible.
It's all spiritual, man. It's all spiritual, and the enmity, the hate that was between the nation of Israel and the Edomites, so-called white people, it's gonna manifest itself, man. And it's manifested itself in, like the brother saying, the doctrine and philosophy, the economics, how they handle what they do with diseases and health, politics. All of this is geared toward the spiritual battle that's going on between the Edomites and the Israelites. Jacob and Esau. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this. Revelation 18 and 6. In the cup which she had filled to her double.
You know, we don't have to, the cup which you have filled to her double. That cup is talking about the cup of slavery. So we get you so-called white men in slavery, we're not gonna have no mercy on you.
Yep.
And remember, in the kingdom of heaven, the sun's gonna be shining bright. We're gonna be in the land of Israel. And you so-called white people, you don't do well in the sun. So you're gonna have blisters, you're gonna have skin cancer, your skin's gonna be falling off your body, sunburn, you're gonna be getting whooped. Alright? You're gonna have animals being sick on you. You did that to us, right? You had something called war dogs, which them Spaniards used. And they trained those dogs, they want to feed them. The only thing they would feed them was Indian meat. Okay? So they would starve them. And then when they saw, you know, the Indians, I'm talking about the Latin tribes, they would let them dogs go and eat your ass alive.
Yep, they had to because the Indians were so good at navigating through the terrain that it was hard. It'd take you 100 miles to catch a native. So you had bloodhounds and dogs that could track a man for 250 miles. Now, I mean, a long ass way. A very, very long way. These dogs could hunt you. And they would get on them horses and just ride until they caught that one dude, that one guy, man.
They show you that in the Django, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one Jake, you know, they had that dogs hunting down. But yeah, them dogs, they specifically train them. The only thing they would feed them was Indian meat. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yep.
Nahum chapter 1 verse 3. The Lord is slow to anger and great in power and will not at all acquit the wicked.
They will not at all acquit the wicked. And the wicked, once again, is talking about this so-called white man. The scriptures say he shall not be acquitted. See, the so-called white man in his mind, he thinks America's going to go on forever and ever. Really, and he actually thinks, somewhere in his bizarre mind, he thinks that the Most High is with him. That's why he's able to shoot Jake dead in the street. That's why he's able to come off with his biological warfare, serving a GMO food, using the vaccines, having Jake born with all types of disorders. He thinks the Most High is with him. But the Most High, really, like the brother read it, really the Most High is killing two birds with one stone. Alright? The Most High said he was going to curse Jake and send the enemy against us, and that's what he did to so-called white man. And he's also building up a rap sheet on a so-called white man to justify his ending, which is going to be death, destruction, and slavery. You see? But the scriptures say, I don't know, I'm not sure where it's at, I think it's Jeremiah 49. It says, thou thought that the Most High was one such as thyself. Right? I think it's 49 and 12.
It might be Psalms, huh?
Psalms 49 where it says,
Nah.
what y'all think about?
You thought that he was basically he thought that the Lord was just like him.
Yeah, one as thyself. When you have a thing. But you got it.
I got a couple. Okay. All right, this is Nahum 1 and 3. The Lord is slow to anger and great in power and will not at all acquit the wicked. The Lord hath his way in the whirlwind and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet.
Right, the whirlwind and the storm, that's these different storms that are happening around really America. Now, what state was it last week that got hit with them two tornadoes?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. That's unheard of, man. Mississippi got hit with two tornadoes in the same week. All right? That's the Most High. When you read the book of Matthew, the 24th chapter, the apostles asked the Lord, they said, when do we know the end is near? He said there's going to be earthquakes in diverse places, which there have been. They said there's going to be storms, there's going to be wars and rumors of wars. All those things are happening. Now, and has been one time in history where you turn on the news and you heard so much talk about nuclear warfare. Those are the rumors of war that the Lord was talking about. Okay? So the end is near. The end is now.
Yep, and also tumult. Because right now, 2014 was the year of race relations between the so-called Negroes and the so-called white man. And just like in the time of Egypt, when the Lord hardened the Pharaoh's heart, the so-called white man's heart is being hardened towards you Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans. That's why they acquitted the killer of Eric Gardner. That's why they acquitted the killer of Mike Brown. That's why all these so-called white people that shoot you Negroes dead in the street get off, man, because their heart is being hardened against you, man. Because the Most High, there's a line being drawn in the sand. All right? and everything's got to play its course.
You can't deny it.
We're natural born enemies. And as much as we try to walk and march and preach and pray and hold hands and sing and be friends, he is perpetually against you. And he's unreasonable, man. He's not going to get with you. He don't want to get with you.
Yeah.
You tried that already.
But see, the Most High is going to have to bring more hell upon you, man.
That's
because
right.
Here it is, you getting shot dead left and right, right? You getting shot left and right. And Ahsoka, you read it like you talking about the comic boys. Ahsoka Whiteman, he ain't sorry for that shit. He don't feel two shits about it. The scriptures say the possessors slay them and hold themselves not guilty. You read the comments, he probably just robbed somebody last night. He's probably a mugger, this and that.
Just another thug.
Just another thug. And don't you know, these certain incidents, these are just select incidents that they put up on the news. Really, the white man is trying to incite a race riot. And Jake, they really not the ones that's inciting the riots. They got agent provocateurs in them riots, which are police in uniform that are undercover, and they're the ones that's throwing bricks through buildings, setting cars on fire, trying to get Jake incited.
They catching them too.
Yup, and it's working.
Yeah, the so-called white man's a goddamn liar, man. Talk about Negroes are thugs, man. This man going all over the world, killing, robbing, raping, doing all types of debauchery, man. And you look at these Joe Blow six-pack, these 16-year-old Edomite crackers, man. They be doing all types of acid and drugs, shooting signs, you know what I'm saying? Doing all types of
Well, like I say, everything that a Negro is doing in America, the white man is doing it globally.
Yeah.
The Negro want to be a drug dealer. The white man's the biggest drug dealer there is, you know?
Shit, why you think over there in the Middle East, they got the oil.
You don't think no black men sell drugs out here?
Of course you do. One of the reason why they're over in the Middle East and in Afghanistan is because they're protecting the poppy seeds over there.
They want that opium.
They want that opium, the poppy
heroin.
seeds.
Yeah, man. That's why since the U.S. has been in Afghanistan, the production of opium has grown over 600%. Man.
Okay, but
600% more.
Let me
Those
ask you
fields have
this.
grown because of the so-called white
talk,
man's
like
control,
real
man.
talk.
I'm gonna read this. Psalms chapter 49, verse 11.
Y'all don't listen to nobody. You just talk.
Their inward
You
thought
just
is
talk.
that their houses shall
Y'all don't
continue
let
forever.
nobody else
Their inward
talk.
thought is that their houses shall continue forever.
Listen to me.
So the inward thought of the so-called white man,
Let me give you my
the least all the
opinion.
way down to these peons, they think America's gonna go on forever and
Let
ever.
me say something,
See?
man. Okay, the black
Right.
man, the white man,
It
I
says,
agree with you.
Their
The
inward
white
thought
man
is that their
have
houses
made,
shall continue
have
forever.
made the black
and their
man
dwelling places to
li-
all generations.
Yeah, they don't think America's gonna be destroyed.
Listen, man.
That's why they got
I love
years.
all
for the
races.
year 2000.
I love all skin colors.
year
But listen to me.
2050.
Listen to me, okay? Listen to me.
Right.
Okay,
They call
that
their land
white
after
man
their own
Made
name.
the
They
black
call their land
man.
after their own
They
name.
made the black man
America,
so.
Puerto Rico, Haiti. You see? All those names are all given by the so-called white man.
Listen, but we
Right.
ain't all the same,
Nevertheless,
though,
man being
Just
in
because we
honor
got the same
abideth
skin
not.
color, that don't mean that we
He is
don't.
like a
We
beast that
ashamed
I
for what
like
our.
this, though. I like the
We
so-called
ashamed
white
for
man
what
coming
our
up there and
forefathers did.
Because they know
I'm
America's going
ashamed.
down.
I'm ashamed
See?
for what my
years ago,
forefathers did to
years
the
ago,
black man.
put the
I'm
camera over here,
ashamed
bro.
of that.
Years ago, the
But how
so-called white
y'all
man,
gonna sit there and
he would
take
have had no
that out
business
on
leading
all
with
of
the
us?
so-called black man. All right?
Okay,
Because
I'm
in his mind,
ashamed. I'm
the so-called
embarrassed
black man ain't
of
shit.
what my
But now that they see that the kingdom is going down,
European.
and that America's about to be
But y'all can't forgive.
catch retribution for
Y'all
what they
can't
did.
forgive.
Now they want to
You
come
know,
up here and plead with
my
us.
generation.
But there is no
Okay,
pleading. The
my
Most High, we read the
generation-
scripture.
my
The Most High
generation
said,
didn't do
he shall
that
not
to you
acquit
guys.
the wicked.
Okay, that was
Get
my
some-
forefathers.
what is that? Isaiah
They did that to
14:21,
your
real quick.
forefathers. My generation didn't do that to you guys. Okay?
Yeah, this gonna go right with that.
Let's read about this generation.
Y'all need to
Sirach,
listen, man.
41 and 6. The
I love
inheritance
all
of sinners'
people.
children
All
shall
people.
perish.
I love all
and
of
their
them.
posterity shall
And
have
y'all
a
sitting there
perpetual
and y'all
reproach.
taking it out.
The children will
Y'all
complain of an
on
ungodly
everybody.
father.
The children
And it
that so-called
wasn't
white
me.
man
It wasn't
shall
me.
complain
It was
of
my
an ungodly
grandfather's
father.
grandfather.
Oh, that wasn't us. Oh, that was my grandfather. That was my grandparents.
Man, y'all
I didn't
can't
do it.
even listen to
The
reason,
children
man.
shall complain of an ungodly father. It ain't my fault your grandparents were wicked ass people.
It ain't my fault neither.
All right.
It ain't my fault neither.
Well, you come from the same seed because you come from the same seed. You're gonna do whatever your grandparents did.
No, I'm
all right.
gonna do what's right
look
for the world.
Go ahead, bro. That's right.
Woe be unto you, ungodly men, which
Wait.
have forsaken the law
That's right.
of the most high God.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right, brother.
The way this thunder, this lightning's coming down, the way good. I'm glad, man. Fuck America.
That's right.
I hope this rain is ruin everybody's fucking Friday. That's right.
For if you increase, it shall be to your destruction.
You know what? We gotta close up. Yeah.
We got signs down here, man. We got money for all that. But we gonna wrap it up, man, because it's coming down. You know what I'm saying? We gotta protect the stuff we have. So we're gonna say all praise to Yahweh Shem Yahweh Shai. We're gonna send double honor to the apostles and the elders of Great Millstone. Then love, peace, and salutations to you brothers out there kicking the word in sincerity and truth. Lord willing, we see y'all real soon, man. Shalom.
All right, slow.